Y'all not finna keep canceling my stuff and taking my money off my card.
Alright. Get off my car, please.
Fuck is you talking about?
Get off my car. You don't want to get off my car?
Lay your hands and you will get shot, bitch.
No, you don't want to get off my car? That's only the question which I have.
Bro, I don't care about you having me on your camera. I don't care.
No, get off my car, please. I cancel your ride. I'm
No,
not gonna pick you
my
up.
Ride. You're not gonna cancel my ride.
Please.
And not give me my no.
Please, get off my car.
No, you can take me.
I'm gonna call your cop for them.
I don't give a fuck.
I'm gonna call the cops now.
That's fine.
Hi, I am a Lyft driver and I am at the Super America.
I don't care. Send their asses now, bro. Send them now. Fuck what you talking about? But you ain't gonna put your hands on me. You ain't gonna take me about this bitch. Fuck wrong with you? Fuck wrong with you? And I don't give a fuck about your camera. Let me put your camera on fucking camera.
West St. Jamaica Street.
Fuck you mean? Y'all, you're not finna keep canceling. I just had another fucking Somalian cancel my fucking ride. You losing your rabbit ass mind, bitch. Fuck wrong with your ass?
Yeah, I think it is.
This fucking Somalian. Because I'm up here at SA. So the first Somalian, he gonna tell me that he not taking me back home or whatever because I said I was going to the liquor store. He gonna say he not bringing me back home. So I'm like, what? He talking about some, he don't do that. It's his religion. So I'm like, all right, okay. So I made his ass go give me my money back out the fucking ATM. So then I get in the car with him. I have to do another lift. I get in the car with him. He wanted to go left. I told him to go right or whatever. He talking about some, I know where you live. You live right here. So I'm like, no, I don't. Like, fuck is you talking about, man? Motherfuckers got me fucked all the way up. I'm not going. I was just on the fucking phone with Tiger dealing with the same shit. The fuck? Exactly. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
He talking about calling some police. I don't give a fuck. Bitch ass nigga, I'll knock your shit down. Fuck you mean? They ain't gonna do shit but tell me to get out the car and I'm gonna have to do another fucking lift. He just out the blue, fucking, he gonna stop at the thing and then he reverse back and then just out the fucking blue he gonna say I'm not taking you home. Why you bitch ass Somalian fuck face ass stinky bitch ass nigga? Fuck you talking about?
Okay, you don't wanna go out of my car, just have a seat.
Right, I don't give a fuck, man.
I don't care what you're doing, just sit down until there.
I don't care what I do neither. Fuck you talking about, bro? I'll fuck your car before I get out your shit. Fuck you mean? Fuck you talking about? This nigga, look. This nigga got a fucking, he gonna turn his camera on the thing. Like that's supposed to mean something. Fuck you talking about? No, he just called the police. That's why he said just sit. This the type of shit that I do to people shit. This type of shit I do to they shit. Bitch, shut your bitch ass up or I'll knock your